Understanding Relationship Management, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. In today's competitive business environment, merely having a good product or service is not enough. Success depends significantly on the relationships that organizations cultivate with their customers and partners. This is where relationship management comes into play, a strategy aimed at establishing and nurturing ongoing engagement with audiences across various sectors. What is relationship management? Relationship management refers to the strategies and practices that organizations implement to maintain and enhance their interactions with customers and suppliers. These relationships can be categorized into two main types. Business to consumer, B2C. This involves interactions between companies and individual customers. Business to business, B2B. This refers to relationships between organizations, such as vendors, suppliers, and business partners. The central aim of relationship management is to create a partnership model, transitioning from a transactional relationship to one built on trust and mutual benefit. By treating these interactions as collaborative partnerships, organizations can foster loyalty and satisfaction among their customers and partners. Key takeaways. Relationship management involves an organization's efforts to engage its audience and supply chain. It can be tailored for consumer relationships, B2C, or other business relationships, B2B. Word-of-mouth referrals and brand loyalty are significant benefits of effective relationship management. Employing dedicated relationship managers can prioritize and enhance relationship-building efforts. How relationship management works. To succeed, organizations must establish strong relationships not just with customers but also with business partners. Effective relationship management involves implementing strategies that promote client support, initiatives aimed at garnering positive feedback from customers. Increased brand loyalty, cultivating return customers and encouraging referrals. Proactive communication, maintaining open channels to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. This relational approach leads to a more favorable reputation for companies, as responsiveness and active engagement often result in additional sales opportunities. Moreover, the assessment of ongoing relationships allows businesses to spot inefficiencies early on, preventing costly disruptions. The role of relationship managers. Organizations may designate specific professionals known as relationship managers to oversee relationship-building endeavors. These individuals typically possess both analytical and communication skills, focusing on customer retention, ensuring existing customers continue to engage with the brand. Profitability assessment, analyzing revenue generated per customer or partner. Satisfaction measurements, evaluating feedback regarding products and services. In smaller companies, one relationship manager might handle both consumer and B2B relationships, while larger organizations may divide this responsibility between separate managers. Types of relationship management. Organizations can utilize different tools and techniques based on the nature of their audience, primarily focusing on two types of management. 1. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. CRM tools and methodologies are primarily B2C focused, aiming to enhance communication with customers through data analysis, identifying market trends and consumer preferences. Sales techniques, crafting targeted marketing campaigns and promotions. Post-sales support, ensuring customer satisfaction after a transaction is completed through follow-ups and customer service initiatives. A successful CRM program includes various communication channels such as email newsletters, social media engagement, and customer surveys, all of which gather feedback and encourage customer loyalty. 2. Business Relationship Management, BRM. BRM approaches focus on B2B interactions, aiming to foster productive ties with vendors and suppliers, building trust and cooperative frameworks. Cross-selling opportunities, identifying potential areas for expansion and collaboration. Risk management, establishing clear expectations and boundaries to aid in dispute resolution and strengthen agreements. For instance, a business with a strong rapport with its suppliers may negotiate favorable pricing or payment terms, leading to better operational efficiency. Why is relationship management important? The importance of relationship management extends beyond just enhancing customer experience. Effective management can lead to enhanced brand loyalty. Satisfied customers are likely to return and spread positive word of mouth. Attraction of new partnerships. Positive relationships can naturally extend to new customers and suppliers. Risk reduction. Utilizing data analytics allows businesses to identify weaknesses in supply chains, leading to informed decision-making regarding supplier selection. Purpose and benefits of relationship management. The primary purpose of relationship management is to facilitate effective client and supplier interactions. This continuous engagement helps to maintain a loyal customer base, seek new partnerships, and drive overall profitability. Improvement strategies. To enhance relationship management processes, organizations can 1. Set clear goals, defining objectives that align with overall business strategy. 2. Utilize software tools, implementing CRM and BRM software for data analysis. 3. Encourage staff training, ensuring team members routinely develop their relationship-building skills. 4. Hire dedicated managers, engaging professionals focused entirely on cultivating relationships. Conclusion. In conclusion, relationship management is a critical component of modern business strategy. Regardless of the size of an organization, effective relational practices can lead to significant competitive advantages, long-term customer loyalty, and increased profitability. Whether through dedicated relationship managers or integrated marketing approaches, prioritizing strong, positive relationships can set an organization apart in its quest for success.